Hey guys, so we mentioned in our last video that we were going to be having t-shirts available soon. So we are excited that this video we're going to share with you about this campaign that we're launching in a couple of days.
Yeah, thank you so much. The reason why we are making these t-shirts is because you have been asking and we are actually surprised that people want to.
We made them a couple months ago because I said, oh, you know, like we should have t-shirts like when we're walking around campgrounds and stuff. Like it'd be kind of cool to let people know that, you know,
about the channel. And
so we just made them for us and our family, but a lot of people have been asking about them, and it's a really great design because you
the really good graphic designer that you have, right?
Yeah. So we're excited that we are using Bonfire. We'll put the link here that you can click on. We're planning to launch August 15th and it will run for 2 weeks. Hey guys, quick interruption. We've made a change to our launch date of our t-shirts and they are available
right now.
Right now. So click the link below. You can get your t-shirts now. We'll still run it until August 30th, but we figured there's no point in releasing this video and then waiting to launch the campaign. So t-shirts available right now.
Okay, back to the video.
So the great thing about Bonfire is that it's not all just one color, one design. There are 4 or 5 different styles for adults. So there's a sweatshirt, there's a t-shirt, I think there's a tank top.
That's great.
Yeah, so you can go in, you can pick the style and the color. Each option has like 4 different colors. And there's also 2 styles for kids. So you can get your little ones, like all of our kids and our nieces and nephews have one. You can pick a sweatshirt or a t-shirt for your kids.
Right, and once you get it, then you take your amazing photos at your campground and please go share them in our Facebook group, right?
Right.
Yeah, and we can wait to see them.
So don't miss this opportunity. Again, August 15th, we're launching it. You only have 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, when the campaign closes, they ship every shirt and they send them out. So if you've been thinking about a shirt, this is the time to get it. I don't think we have to have a minimum. I think I read that our first campaign, there is no minimum.
Oh, I thought it was the opposite.
So I think so. I think everybody that orders a shirt should get a shirt. But we're really excited about this. If it goes well, we'll do it again, you know, every season. Yeah,
but this will be a great way for you to show support to our channel and to look fire wearing one of these cool t-shirts. So we're gonna put the link to the Bonfire store here in the description. Also, we're going to be talking about it in Facebook. So, yeah.
So thanks for showing your love and support. If you're getting a t-shirt or if you're not and you're just watching this video, thank you for all your love and support. Peace out.
All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.